Hey there. Let's talk about something you've done at least 400 times in your life. Something so ordinary, we barely notice it. But what if I told you this tiny explosion in your nose changed human history? Meet the sneeze. That sudden, uncontrollable achoo. It's universal, annoying, sometimes life-saving. Absolutely. And weirdly, it holds clues to how we became social creatures. Picture this. 100,000 years ago, a small band of early humans huddle in a cave. One feels that familiar tickle. Achoo. Instantly, heads turn, not just because it's loud, but because in that prehistoric world, a sneeze wasn't just noise, it was a biological alarm bell. See, we sneeze for survival. Dust, smoke, pathogens, your nose violently ejects them at 100 miles per hour. It's brilliant design. But here's the twist. Sneezing made us care about each other. Imagine you're that early human. You hear a sneeze. Your brain instantly flags. Danger. Germs nearby. In tight-knit groups, one sick person could doom everyone. So evolution wired us to react. We pay attention. We even say, "Bless you." And that phrase? It's ancient. The Romans thought sneezing expelled evil spirits. West African traditions saw it as a sign the soul was threatened. Vikings believed a sneeze meant the gods were listening. Across cultures, we built rituals around this reflex. Why? Because it forced us to acknowledge each other's vulnerability. Fast forward to plagues. The bubonic plague, smallpox, cholera. Sneezing became a death sentence. During the Black Death, a single sneeze could scatter a marketplace. People fled not just from disease, but from the sound itself. Societies reshaped around it. Quarantines, covered faces, even early public health laws. That reflex didn't just clear your nose, it cleared crowded cities. But sneezing also connected us. Think about it. You've probably said Gesundheit to a stranger. Why? Because sneezing is one of the few universal human experiences. It's involuntary, unscripted, and when someone sneezes, you reflexively respond. That tiny moment, it's a microbond, a shared "I see you," fellow human. Science backs this up. MRI scans show when we hear a sneeze, our empathy centers light up. Even babies react to sneeze sounds before they understand language. It's primal, built into our social wiring. We're not just detecting germs, we're detecting need. And here's the kicker. Sneezing shaped language itself. Linguists trace words like achoo across 5,000 languages. Many are startlingly similar: hachi in German, apchi in Russian, hakshin in Korean. Why? Because the sound mirrors the body's explosion of air. It's one of humanity's first onomatopoeias, a shared sound born from biology. Now, let's zoom out. Evolutionarily, sneezing gave us an advantage. Animals sneeze to dogs, cats, even iguanas. But humans? We're the only ones who turned it into social glue. When our ancestors started living in larger groups, diseases spread faster. Responding to sneezes, caring for the sick, isolating the contagious, became critical for survival. Tribes that cooperated around sneezes survived to pass on their genes. Today, we see this legacy everywhere, from bless you etiquette to pandemic face masks. That reflex forced us to build societies where we look out for each other's bodies. It's humanity's oldest public health system hiding in plain sight. So next time you feel that tickle, remember, you re-part of a chain that stretches back to the first humans who heard a sneeze and chose to say, "I'm here. We're in this together." It's easy to see evolution as epic battles or brainy breakthroughs. But sometimes it's in a single breath. A violent, messy, beautiful reminder that being human means caring when another body says, "I exist." Stay curious, friend.